Are you trying to make money online but don't know where to start? Do you scroll through endless job postings, feeling lost and overwhelmed? What if I told you there's one platform that brings every possible online earning opportunity right to your fingertips? From simple tasks you can do in your spare time to monetizing your own creative content, the answer is here. Welcome to Taskey, your new all-in-one destination for online income. Think of Taskey as your personal guide in the digital world. It's an integrated platform designed for everyone. Freelancers, aspiring entrepreneurs, and content creators just like you. Taskey's mission is simple: to make earning online accessible, straightforward, and effective for everyone. So, what's waiting for you inside? Let's dive into the incredible ecosystem of Taskey. First up, we have micro-tasks. This is perfect for beginners or anyone wanting to earn quick cash. Think simple data entry, tagging images, or participating in short online surveys. No special skills are needed. It's the easiest way to turn your free time into supplementary income. Ready for a little more? Micro jobs are your next step. These are small projects that use your specific skills. Maybe you're great at social media engagement, writing short product descriptions, or whipping up simple graphics. These jobs not only pay, but also help you build a solid portfolio for bigger projects down the line. For all the coders out there, Taskey has a dedicated space for you. Whether you're a web developer, a mobile app genius, or you build custom software, you can find exciting projects and clients right here. It's an open marketplace to showcase your technical talents. But that's not all. Ever thought about network marketing? Taskey gives you the tools to build your network, promote products or services, and earn a commission on every sale. It's a fantastic way to monetize your communication skills. And speaking of monetizing skills, video is king right now. With Taskey's video marketing opportunities, you can create promotional videos, explainer videos, or even video testimonials for brands and get paid for your creativity. But what if you just want to relax and earn? You heard me right. With Taskey, you can actually get paid just for watching videos. These are usually ads or promotional content, making it a super easy way to earn a little extra while you unwind. You can also earn by viewing, or if you have your own website, displaying ads. Your opinion is valuable, and Taskey knows it. That's why they connect you with market research companies. Participate in surveys, share your thoughts, and earn money for it. Simple as that. For those with an appetite for risk and reward, Taskey even offers a platform for trading digital assets like crypto and forex. With the right strategy, this can be a path to high income. Now, for all my fellow content creators, this is the part you've been waiting for. Taskey doesn't just give you jobs, it helps you build your empire. Struggling to meet YouTube's monetization requirements? Taskey will help you get the watch time and subscribers you need. Need more traffic to your blog to boost that ad revenue? Taskey can send targeted visitors your way. It even helps you grow your social media presence with more followers, likes, and shares. So, why is Taskey your best choice? It's the sheer diversity. Everything from micro tasks to professional freelancing, all under one roof. It's beginner-friendly, but also values the skills of seasoned professionals. And most importantly, it provides the support you need to not just earn, but to grow. Getting started is easy. Just register on the Taskey platform. Identify the work that interests you and create your profile. Then, start exploring tasks, finding projects, or setting your monetization goals. Your journey to financial independence and online success starts now. Taskey is more than just a platform. It's a reliable partner for your online career. If you're ready to unlock a new world of earning potential, join Taskey today. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.